Hi guys! A few days ago, I was meandering around Costco when lo and behold, I ran into a Sabico roadshow. Boy, was I excited to be able to sample their products. They were there to promote their ready-mix soup bases and were offering them at a promotional price of only $9.89 for 2 jars. I, of course, had to sample all the flavors that were available that day, and in my opinion, the best flavor was the spicy Sichuan. I didn't have any dinner plans for that night, so at that moment, I had decided that I was going to make a hot pot for the family. And at my Costco, they currently sell the thinly sliced beef chuck rolls, so I had picked up a package for the hot pot as well. I just then needed to make a run to my local Asian supermarket for the rest of the ingredients. Alright, let's get this hot pot started. First, add water to your pot. Then add the beef broth powder, oil, and spices from the jar of ready-mixed soup base from Sabico. Next, add your desired veggies and meats. Here, we're adding some button mushrooms, and then my favorite, enoki mushrooms. We're also adding some leftover fish balls that we had from our other hot pot a few days ago. For the greens, we're just going to add bok choy. For the proteins, we're going to add shrimp, tofu, and sliced beef chuck. Man, this beef is so good in this hot pot, guys. Just look at how beautiful and colorful this hot pot is. I love it. Hot pots are customizable, so just add whatever ingredients your little heart desires. If only you can smell through your phone or computer right now, the little bag of aromatics that the company provides makes this hot pot smell amazing. If you guys see this company at Costco, be sure to grab yourself 2 jars. It's a fantastic deal, and I will certainly be buying this product again. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until my next video, I'll see you later, alligator. Bye!